Hello everybody, in this video I am going to do a short demo of my React Native Firebase chatting app. So if you guys don't know what Firebase is, so basically Firebase is a backend service that your app can interact with. It has a lot of features such as a real-time database where you can store and manage your data. User authentication, very important. You can manage your users for single sign-ons, and file storage, and much more. So it is very useful. Um, so the basic idea of building this Firebase for my current company is we want to provide our doctors, physicians, and partners with a secure platform to have where we can chat with our people in our internal system. We could use a third party by paying the service, but it might cost a lot, and also by having our customized internal chatting app would not only save the cost but have more customizations and controls of the users and the messages. And let's get started. So here I open my Excel project. I open two simulators to show how the interactions, how the two users can interact with each other. So I created a test account called test1.gmail.com, and on the left screen and on the right screen, this is the account with my email. So I am going to log into both accounts. So after you log in, you will see a tab navigator of three screens: the home screen, the contact screen, and the group chat screen. So I will get into details of each screen one by one. So first, the home screen, which very similar to Facebook. It will display the history message that other users have sent to you, or you have sent to the other users. It will be sorted by the latest message that's being sent in a descending order. So you can see the recent one I have been sending is to test1, which is the user on the left screen, and I said Michael, and test1, when he logs in, he will see Michael, the message I sent to him. So why don't we send another message to him? Say hello. Pay attention to the left screen. When I type send, this will get updated. You will see my message sent at 11:14, which is the time right now. And when you go back, the chat room with text1 will be still on the top of this flat list. We can also talk to the other people. Let's talk to David. So when I say hello, David, of course, test1 won't see the message, obviously, and David will be popped to the top screen. We can also search the users by the search bar, and we can also search specific message if we want, by using the search bar to search users and history messages. Very convenient. Second screen, which is contacts, basically it displays the list of the users by alphabetical order. So here for the search bar, it's the same thing. You can search for all the users, any user that you want by doing the search bar. You can also go directly into the chat and see message gets updated very quickly. Cool. Let's go to the third screen, which is the group chat. So here it will display a list of all the groups that the user have been involved with, and the order is also sorted by the latest message in the descending order. So why don't we go to this group? No. For the sake of demo, let's go to the second one, which is test1, Michael and David. Let's do hi there. So you successfully sent a group chat message, and here you will see it gets updated right away, and also at the top of the list. You can also do search in the search bar, same function, and you can also create a chat in which you can basically, let's see. Okay, so let's create a chat with test 1 and test 3 and test 4 maybe. So when you tap the users, it will be displayed at the screen here, but if you don't want test 4 anymore, simply tap to unselect them. So right now I am going to create a chat group with test 1, test 3, and myself, and just say hello to them. Bam. And here you will see it gets updated right away at the screen on the left for test 1 user. And also another very cool feature that I want to show you guys is the interaction between the Callbacks app and the Firebase app. So if you guys haven't checked out the other video of the Callbacks app demo, definitely check it out. I won't get into much details about the Callbacks app, but basically in the Callbacks app, the physicians and doctors will have a list of patients that they have met with the live data of the symptoms listed in the mobile app. They can easily access any patients, and by the way, these are just fake data, obviously. So we will create, this is like also one of the main reasons we are doing this Firebase chatting app, is because by the request of many doctors and physicians that when they see the patient's MRN and reasons for visits, they really want to chat with the other physicians and people internally to not sometimes just sort of making sure this is the right patients, or have a chat with other physicians in terms of how to improve our services and how to treat the patients better and so on, to really have the chat functions. So we do provide a URL redirect of this cool chat icon. When you click on it, you will be directly jump back to your Firebase chatting app in the send message page. So a very simple page. It will create a default message of the patient's MRN and reason for visit for your convenience, and you can send to any users that you want, and in this case let's just send to test 1, and you can also edit the message here. If everything is good, let's just send a message. It will jump right back to the individual chat room with the users you selected, and at the left simulator you will see me, Michael, myself, have sent the message at 11:20 with the other virtual physician I'm talking to right now. So basically that is the React Native Firebase chatting app that I've been building on, and the reason why I've been building it, and the main functions and features. Thank you so much for watching this video, and goodbye.